Una well done, oh my people. Na me, Mary Deba. I don't come here to follow una talk. I won't follow una talk some kind issue. Today I want to talk about our guys. We say they don't dey into relationship for some time. Some guys if they don't stay with some girls and they know say that girl get bad character, but they won't follow the girl stay because you don't know what people want talk. Now people now want marry the girl. No be people want marry the girl for you. You know say girl wey you don't deal with her way no good. You want use pity marry am, or maybe when you deal with the girl, una dey together, paper come maybe for long you no get paper, but later paper come. You call the reason as if you leave the girl, wetin people go talk. Now your happiness na matter pass. No be say wetin people go talk. Those people wey you dey talk, they get their own problem. They get their own family. They get their own issue they need to take care of. But you dey reason about people. And at the end of the day, you fall victim and you dey say, you can't blame yourself, say wetin make you marry this woman when you know say the woman no good. Many women they will not get good character. Many young girls they don't get good character. But the time when you go take marry them, the time when you take day with the girl, it reach you to tell your observer if na woman will go for you if you follow day or not. But as you take follow the girl, you observe am, but you they use pity mind tell you look and say if I call leave and wait people talk. Now there you made mistake as a man. You don't already underrate yourself because you know be man. If you be man, woman wey you know say no get discipline, no get self-discipline on her own, wetin you want take am do? You no get wetin you want take am do. Okay, now it just still be like man, a woman with a girl wey dey date guy, wey you know say the guy no wan work. Early in the morning go say cold too much. Time wey you go take go work, you go say cold too much. Then you the woman you go get up, you go work. You come, you still come meet am for the same place wey for live inside bed. Then you come enter kitchen dey cook. See, I want make people more than the reason. I pray more than they listen to all this my topic every time because sometimes most of us you sabi read and write, not missing our wisdom you get. Wisdom is different from see, let me put it this way. I say wisdom and understanding. Wisdom is different though, and understanding is different. Knowledge is different. The way we want to take look all these three things, they come in different ways. If you are lack of wisdom, it's very hard for you to get to the top. If you like you sabi read, does not mean say or you be graduate, no mean say you get wisdom. It's very very different. So una way be say una they use pity take the friend boy and una they use pity take the friend girl. They can't even born marry. Una can't they regret. See, more na change una way. In the things of relationship to get to marriage, leads to marriage, it no get anything to do with pityness. If you pity for woman, you made mistake. If you made mistake totally. You marry woman, say you pity for her, you made mistake. You marry man, say you pity for her, you made mistake. Because the moment you date one particular guy, and you know say this guy, now maybe say tomorrow, if you put food for your table, you don't want to work, you lazy. Then tomorrow you come back for her. Now government, go see government food, none go chopped in the ending. Because a lazy man will remain a lazy man. He no care. As far as say you dey feel struggle, they put food for table, or you dey food do business, maybe say money they pass there come. Now lazy man go be forever. And that same man go still come on, if you go marry for Africa. Go put one wife for Nigeria there. And then at the end of the day, all the money where you dey work, you go use it take off the money in Nigeria. Because he no get power to take work. What it could be the benefit? Nothing. It just the born. When I want the born, make government they take care of her. One part. Likewise, the men who they friend girls, they pity for her for the time we 12 on a daughter day. You don't know what people want talk. You don't know what people want talk. You know go make the woman change. Because some women the way they take train the way some people they take train them up, it already did their life and they can never change. They know they use pity marry woman. They know they use pity marry man. Marriage not be something we say that they use pity talk about at all. You see, before they talk all this issue, I get person maybe say they face big problem like this. You and the girl now don't date together for very long time. But for you to leave the girl, you the reason what people want to talk. What do people want to talk? And now who they face the problem? You. Because your life not really concern people. If you really know say this girl now basically they perfect for me. Now that one person will match you, now you define. women dey wey dey help man to reach the top. Women dey wey dey draw man down. And if you go use mistake go marry the one wey dey draw man down forever, na there una go dey, except say the woman come comot, another person enter. So abeg, I just wan use this opportunity to talk to our young guys wey e be say they dey into relationship. If you dey with woman wey be say you no too understand her way, say get the way, leave her make dey go. In your dey front, make go find am. Everybody get their own. It's not a task, it's not a force. You must not use force stay with any girl. Say this girl because say we don't date stay. No, that has nothing to do with relationship or marriage. If e no good for you, e no fit you, leave am, make dey go. Lazy women dey, if you don't enter your house, e don finish. You no fit sell salt, you no fit sell maggi, you no fit use 1 naira turn to 2 naira. Na problem. Woman wey no fit use €1 turn to €2, how you wan take marry am? Tomorrow you go turn to liability for your house. Na only call you go dey call friends. You no get anything to add to your wisdom. You no get anything to add to your plan. If you call and say you wan even plan some issue, you get money wey you gather, you can't take go buy cloth, you go wear, you no do anything. Na abroad you dey, if you talk, you go use police arrest you. So wetin you come dey talk? So the best thing, abeg, more na the reason. Think. If you see girl wey dey perfect for you, you know say yes, with this one you go fit reach where you dey go. Good. But if you know say with the one wey you just get now, in case if you come across my video, you know say the one you just get now, with the kind way she take dey do her attitude, give her a chance, tell her, call her, make you tell her, not be force. Relationship no be force. You understand? No dey pity. They no dey pity marry. Make woman no dey pity they marry man. Make man no dey pity they marry woman. It's very wrong because many people no understand. Now well done, my people. I just want to use my platform to follow and they talk small, you understand? Because sometimes we human beings, we made mistake. Sometimes, as I say, we dey Europe, our parents not dey here. We not get people they seek advice from. They make a lot of mistake. We be say tomorrow we come dey regret. So it's better say we tackle this issue now than say tomorrow it come too late. So now well done, my people. Now me, Mary Deba, watch Ivota TV.